Well, good morning, folks. We are out on the Mississippi once again. Gonna do something a little different. I got some crazy friends that wanted me to do a challenge. Oh yes, you can catch fish, whoop-de-whoop-de-whoop-doo. But can I catch a fish with a child's pole? And I borrowed my granddaughter's pole today to see how, well, see how tough it is. I'm gonna fish it just the way it came in the box, whatever line's on it. I am gonna use the jig. I'm gonna use a fathead minnow. I am using the Ice Princess. Sorry, Lila, but hopefully we'll get it back in one piece. Good news is that if this does not work, I have my other rods with me. We're gonna be just fine. We're gonna start out on that riprap over there. We're gonna see how many we can pull in. We're gonna see all the different species if I can get them. We're just gonna have a lot of fun. Thanks for coming out with me, guys. Let's get started. Alright guys, we're at our first spot with our little Ice Princess rod. Let's see what happens today. Let's go get some. There we go. There we go, guys. GoPro, you working? Yeah. This is crazy. Oh, it's a sheephead, guys. It's a sheephead. I can't tell if the video's working or not. But lo and behold, look at us. I don't even know if this line's gonna hold them. Alright, move this off the rocks a little bit. Alright guys, first little sheephead. It's not a real fish. Let's go get some regular ones. But I pulled it okay on that one. Let's see what else we can do with it. Let's let her go. Alright, come on now. Let's see what we can find in here. I'm pretty impressed that little Shakespeare at least held that up. I'm a little worried on a big fish though. We're definitely going to run it through his paces, I hope. This is crazy. You know you guys are going to pay for this, making me fish with this little rod today. There we go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'll bring this back a little bit. I don't know what we got here. Oh, it's pretty good feeling though. You guys seeing this little rod. Come on, man, this is funny. I gotta pull it away from those rocks. Dang. It's not a happy fish. It's a big drum, so big that I need to get the net, I guess. Come on, there we go. Yeah, this is a huge fish for this little itty bitty rod. It is a sheephead. I'll pull her in here, just let her rest for a second, and I'll show her to you. All right, guys. 20-inch fish on that little ice rod, or that little ice princess rod. Yeah, he's a big guy. But let's see what else we can do. We got 2 of these today. It's definitely been challenging, no doubt in my mind. This has not been challenging with this rod. But we're gonna continue on. Let's see if we can get a walleye out of it. Once I get the walleye, then I'll go back to fishing my regular rod. But let's get a walleye off this little rod. All right, guys, let's let her go. There we go. Gonna be a junk fish, but still on this pole, it's a big fight. All right, guys, let me pull her up and I'll show it to you. I just don't want to pull the line; it could snap. And it's a sheephead. So let's take a look. A lot of people out here today. All right, guys, got this one here. It's about 12 inches. All right, let's let them go. All right, guys, seems like we're getting into a lot of sheephead. When I say a lot, we've got 3. Let's go find some other spots. Let's see what else we got out here. So until I get one walleye with that little rod, I'm going back to my regular one, if I can get one. Let's go chase them down, guys. All right, guys, I'm out at a little different spot. I'm gonna give that rod one more chance to catch a walleye, and then I'm gonna have to go back to my regular rod. It was fun. It's cool to see what that fish, that little rod could do. But I'm interested in also catching some real fish today. So we're gonna give it one more shot down this little riprap area. Haven't been here forever on this side. And let's see what we can produce. Another sheephead for this little rod. Let me pull this out of here. All right, guys, got another sheephead. It's time to switch over to the big boy pole. It's tough, I'm not gonna lie to you. Trying to jig fish up with this little pole, it's tough, but did it hold up to fish today? Absolutely. So do I fear my granddaughter losing a fish? No, not really. This rod's gonna do just fine for her. But yeah, Shakespeare did a good job. I'll give him that. But now it's time to get to the real stuff. Another little sheephead, guys. We're gonna move on. Let's get some more. I'm gonna go to the big rod. Let's catch some fish. Okay, guys, we're back in with the regular rod. We're going to hopefully this time catch some walleye. Gotta tell you, that little rod was it was tough trying to do this. But I'm battling a heck of a current, strong wind out of the south. So yeah, it's been a little bit of a maneuver. But now it's time to catch some fish. Go, guys. Oh man, come on. Another sheephead. We can do better, guys. Let's get another one. Sheephead. Little guy. move us down to a different spot. Well, we had to try, guys. Let's get this one up. I'll show them to you. Just make sure I'm not in the rocks. There we go again. Another sheep's head. 10 billion of these out here during the summer. Let's let her go. All right, got one, guys. He's not gonna be what I'm thinking he is. Oh yeah. He's mad though, I can tell you that. Still haven't seen him. I think it's a sheephead. Oh, it's a Mr. Whiskers. Hello, Mr. Whiskers. Hey, 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 hey. There you go, guys. A Mr. Whiskers. Let's let him go.
It's the boat. That's beautiful.
I appreciate it. Thank you. There we go. There we go, guys. We got one on. He is mad. He is mad. This feels like a walleye bite, though. But it's not. It's another Mr. Whiskers. Oh, you're sliming my reel and my line. Great. Hey, hey, hey. Let's settle down. All right, guys. Another Mr. Whiskers. Let's let him go. Yeah, that was another cat. I expect the cats to get a lot heavier out here. Nope, like that one. That was a weird hit, but I'm gonna guess this is another cat. Man, what a fighter. Oh my Lord. Ladies and gentlemen, I have got a walleye on. Whoa. Come on back here, girl. Whoa, 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 whoa. You are not ready yet, are you? Come on, girl. Where you at? All right, guys. Thank God. Because I was getting ready to call today anyway. With this beautiful girl. Probably the biggest I've had so far since I've been out. As soon as these boats pass, I'll let it rest. I'll bring it out, I'll show you a picture of it. And then we're probably gonna call it a day. It was a great day, it was a lot of fun. Would have liked to caught this walleye on that, my little child's pole there. But this is exciting. I'll show it to you, hold on. All right guys, this is it, 26 incher. She's a big one. She's a lot of fun. She did a lot of pulling. I'm gonna get her back in the water so she can continue to breed for us. But beautiful fish. Let's let her go. Well, that's it, guys. That's a wrap. We spent a few hours out here playing with the Ice Princess rod. It caught a few fish. Got some actually pretty decent fish for the size of that rod. So I'm impressed. It would have been nice to get that 26-inch walleye on that. That would have really impressed me. But that's okay. We'll get it next time. Lila, thank you for letting me use your rod. I appreciate that. I got it all tuned up for you. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you following me. God bless you all. And we'll see you next time on the water.